There's a howling wind in the hollow of the night, and a voice upon the hill goes crying. Oh, the hangman's noose is tight, but I can feel it around my neck, and I hope that you can hear me. This is the only prize that I have won. And I'm not sorry, no, I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry now for these things that I have done. And in the darkness of the night, where I oftentimes recall those wasted days of youth when I did not speak a word at all, and those cards I held so close into my chest, well, perhaps I'll save them now for my dying breath. Do not fear, the shadow that I cast, it won't be long. For I've never been a child of the sun. And I'm not sorry, no, I'm not sorry. Well, I'm not sorry now for these things that I have done. So I stare so deep into the crowd, but I don't see you standing anywhere. And it don't seem to, and it don't seem right to haul a man away from his lover in the night. But now the wind is getting high, and the gallows start to shake. So I guess I'll have to settle for I'll see you by and by. And when I swing, oh, I will swing low. When I swing, I'll swing so low. But I'll never tell them, darling, it was you that held the gun. And I'm not sorry, no, I'm not sorry. Well, I'm not sorry now for these things that I have done. No, I'm not sorry, oh, I'm not sorry. No, I'm not sorry now for these things that I have done.
Thank you. Thanks.